Hello, hello, hello. Boy, what a day it is. We've been on quite an adventure this week. It's been pretty dang amazing. You just never know sometimes how things are going to turn out. And you really have to be on your toes during this pandemic because, man, things can change like you don't even know. You'll never see it coming, and you got to be comfortable being uncomfortable for sure. So yeah, we're in the middle of a pandemic and you just never know how are things going to change from day to day. And one day you're just rolling along and all of a sudden, boom, something crazy happens. So literally, we're just rolling along, we're taking orders, we're getting new business, things are just going, very well. We're on pace to hit our goals. There's nothing wrong. And we start to run a sale for free shipping, and the sale is hitting it out of the park. Yeah, thank you very much. We appreciate it. We appreciate your support. But here's where the story gets interesting. All right, so here's where the story gets really interesting. We are taking in all kinds of special orders. Things are going really well. We're starting to hit our goals. Sales are starting to come back. It's the middle of a pandemic, so those kind of things are very important. And we run this free shipping promotion. And so we're filling all of our special orders. We're filling our custom orders for graduations and for some business events and conference calls, Zooms, and people are doing all kinds of special stuff for their employees. And we go to order our bags for the big weekend coming up. Generally, our supplier is 2 days, 3 days max. You can count on it, bank it, right? But after 4 days, we haven't even gotten a tracking number. And I'm like, what is going on? So literally, I'm on the phone and I'm like, guys, where are our bags? What's going on? And they said, well, we kind of have a problem. And it sounds like the problem has everything to do with the pandemic because their factory is essentially idle because they don't have the plastic they need. And that is a big problem. It is impossible to run a popcorn company without bags. It cannot happen. It's not going to happen. Nobody wants to walk around eating popcorn out of their hands, and you can't just throw popcorn in a cardboard box and ship it, right? That's crazy. So literally, we have spent the last few days improvising and coming up with a new bag supplier, just on the spot. Right now, what are we going to do? It's an emergency. And as a friend once told me, you have to be comfortable being uncomfortable. And damn, were we uncomfortable. So normally in a situation like this, we would have orders out in 48 hours. We have a quick turnaround because we've always got fresh popcorn and we just care, it really matters to us. But we have customers now who weren't getting orders for nearly 5 days. And for us, that's unacceptable. It is an absolute tragedy when shipping times take that long. Even if they're out of our control, it doesn't really matter to us. It's just like a source of pride. We want to hit our deadlines no matter what. So to regain the trust that we have with our customers and with our fans, we've sent out emails with a little bit of a gift in them and an apology. Why? Because it's the right thing to do. One of the biggest lessons we have to learn during this pandemic is that we have to be comfortable being uncomfortable, because there's going to be a lot of uncomfortable moments. You just never know when they're going to come, and you just have to be ready. And what I mean by ready is mentally prepared for adversity. What's your plan? How are you going to overcome it? And how are you going to do it and keep your sanity? We all want happiness. We all desire to be happy. So be your happiest person today. If you care about somebody, let them know. And if you love somebody, let them know. Go live your happiest life.